y'all, it's a girl Akontaba and welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I can't wait to show you how I styled this beautiful unit right here. Her name is Aria, and I'm going to show you how to create these beautiful curls from start to finish. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. So I will start by removing the flexi rods, and guys, I love using flexi rods because they make my curls last much longer than average, and we do have them on our website as well, which is right there on the screen. They come in a pack of 15, so you do have different sizes available as well. And look at the curls, guys, like these curls are so defined and simply beautiful. So right now I'm just removing all the flexi rods, and then I'll get back and show you when it's time for me to style it. Okay, y'all, so all the flexi rods are out, and all I did at the front was to comb it towards the back and then use my fingers just to style the unit. Now, one thing you will notice is I've never used a comb, not once, throughout the video. All I'm using is my fingers to just open up the curls, exactly as you can see here. I'm using my fingers to open up the curls because by doing so you do still get to keep your curls to stay intact, but at the same time you do give extra volume. Isn't she beautiful, guys? I mean, look at the curls. She is popping. The baby hairs are laid to the goddess. The curls are just beautiful and elegant. Again, this is our Aria unit, and she's available on the website right there on the screen. She's 22 inches with an 18-inch frontal, and she was custom made for beautiful client in London. So if you are interested in purchasing one, just make sure you head over to our website, and she is 100% glueless, so you just put it on and off you go. And thank you so much for watching. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to our channel and welcome to the family. And if you are a usual, make sure you leave a comment down below and show them some love. So until our next unit, stay blessed. Bye.